Hey everyone, we are here at Basecamp Motorsports, and I'm here with Leah, and we are going to be taking this Spyder F3 Limited out to Drumheller. We'll check out the Badlands and the Royal Tyrrell Museum. Let's go! Spare jackets here, bring those just in case we start to get cold. Fit the drone in here. Oh, very good. Hook up the Bluetooth here, BRP connect, pair. Gotta warm up a little bit. I gotta remember I have gears on this. Ooh, cranes! You like cranes? You love cranes? Oh, we gotta turn right here. We gotta stay on number 9. Yep. Surprised there's not a dinosaur on the sign. We just passed another motorbike. The race is on to Drumheller, 65 kilometers. There they go! It's nice how these automatically shut down as you brake. Pretty sweet. Pretty neat, eh? We won't do too much 4x4 into this, because we ain't got no 4x4. Break right here, and then we are going to go meet Cody for lunch. That was a fun ride. Almost to Drumheller. We just got to go a little bit further down the hill, but figured we'd stop here and maybe take a couple photos, stretch our legs. Was that fun? What'd you think of the Spyder?
I love it. My back's fine. I got a very high seat there, so we're good. Especially the seat is perfect.
Oh, that's good to hear. It is 12:58 Mountain Standard Time. We're gonna go to Heller Good Sandwiches and meet Cody there for lunch. Welcome to Drumheller. Dinosaur. Ooh, blue trike. Oh, dinosaur. Dinosaur on a motorbike. There's Cody. Yeah, that's a good spot. Turn that off, key out. We're good to go. Hat. Like that. How's Cody doing?
Oh, not so bad.
Yeah?
We're on lunch.
I'm surprised you weren't sitting here with this green guy.
I should have been. Eh?
Look at that green dinosaur.
Man, they're all over the place. I was gonna go around town and just take pictures of every dinosaur. There's so many.
We're at Heller Good Sandwiches. Heller Good Sandwich. Yeah. Well, thanks for the recommendation for the lunch spot, Cody. Okay, let's go to the Royal Tyrrell Museum here. Oh, there he goes, wee-wee.
Stop.
Wear a helmet, kids. Don't be like that guy.
Yeah. An adult child.
The Spyder, right where we left it. And the dinosaur. That's a big dinosaur. Dinosaur. The tiger one, pink one. Royal Tyrrell Museum. Pretty cool badlands, eh? We made it. And we are in. Oh, big meat dinosaurs. Rawr. Rawr. Woof.
So it's 3:30 Mountain Standard Time. We are touring the Royal Tyrrell Museum still. And it's going very well. We are spinning lots of these little planets, figuring out where Alberta is, which is pretty cool. That's it.
Very cool. I don't know, it might be too windy to fly a drone. Next stop is the ferry. You good?
Yeah.
Sweet. I cannot believe how windy it is. Dinosaur! Down into the valley. Oh, good look at this. Long trip from that side over to that side. Cool. Little short ferry ride. Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day. The Horsethief viewpoint. Nice and slow on the gravel. Okay, quick little pit stop here. He's gonna blow away. Wow. The Royal Tyrrell Museum way over there. We came around the bend, up over, looked at that, the Horsethief Canyon lookout, went across, and then down to the ferry, and then up, and then across, and now we're at this lookout. Look at you all ready to go already.
Look at me.
Okay, back to Drumheller, put some gas in this, and then back to Calgary. Here and hope that nobody else is coming?
I guess so.
I like it. Oh, look at that then. The bank eroded, so it's on the road. Look at that.
Nice.
Wow. Handy.
Handy little spot. Oh, she looks a little full.
Look at how nice that is. I like that. We got gas, 18.1 liters for well over 150 kilometers here. Bye-bye, dinosaurs! Take a second at this four-way to look back. The color gradient behind us is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Okay, let's try to get back before it's dark. We are back at base camp.
7:37 Mountain Standard Time. It was a really awesome day on the Spyder F3 with Leah riding double with me. And it was cool checking out the Royal Tyrrell Museum, getting lunch with Cody. And the only issue with today was the high wind. Even the drone was giving us warnings for too high of wind. Overall, a great day. Thanks for watching.